CRO is sitting at a very interesting area right here between the VWAP and the 10 AMA on the daily chart. So I want to make a quick price prediction. I will not waste a second of your time. We can see we have a lot of liquidations, 2830-ish, basically above these highs right here. 2830, we have a lot of people that place their shorts, so we definitely want to tap into that before we actually get any good trades. So my price prediction is the following for this video. I think we'll probably go down a little bit. We'll tap into these lows and then we head up to this level. And my price prediction on the longer time frame is also bullish, so mark it out from this point onwards. Hopefully we just tap into this level and from there we'll see into the 28 free areas. This is basically how I think it will work out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what you think. And I just gotta one trade. 0, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, and I'll take 25% off. I have a trade that almost took profit. It's very weird. The idle trade, it went one tick below my take profit. Look at this, and it started pumping. This is my take profit, and this is where it went to the 50s, which is very weird. It rarely happens. But yeah, I'm waiting to see how price will react now. And if you want to follow my trades, there's a link in the description down below to my Signals chat. I'm up 262 grand on VOOX, 30 grand on a new wallet. I'll have my course and my Signals chat in the description down below. And also right now you can sign up for BLOFIN. They're giving away $30 of new user bonuses and a bunch of other discounts. Check them out. Live with all my heart. This video is no financial advice.